Hey, what's up, my Facebook friends, business partners, family? Good afternoon, happy Tuesday. Your boy Earl here once again with another video, guys. I know lately I haven't been doing videos like I used to, but today I just want to talk about, what I've been sharing with you. It's all about credit, I start this new opportunity that I got into, very excited because why? The value, like I said, I always join something just because of the value, what we have to offer. And I have the opportunity to be able to help other people just like yourself repair your credit. So I hope you guys had a great day today. If you guys tuning in, go ahead and comment under this video in the chat. Say what's up and let me know. I'll respond back to you. How your day went, Just let's catch up to, I've probably been missing a lot. I know some of you have been missing a lot. And first of all, I want to say thank you guys for liking and supporting my new page. I got one of my pages shut down, so I just want to restart this one. So I'm refreshing everyone. Trying to add all my friends to like my business page. So if you receive a message from me asking you to like my page, please go ahead, hit the like button, so we can stay connected on my page. But anyway, like I said, I align myself with some motivated individual entrepreneurs with this company to actually help people repair their credit. We all know credit is king in this country, so that's why I say actually jump on. I know a lot of people, credit score pretty much hurting them by, you're trying to buy a house, trying to buy a car, you're trying to buy something big, and the credit is the only thing keeping you back. Even though when you're trying to rent an apartment or something, they check your credit to see how credit worthy you are, to know if you're going to pay them back. So a lot of people, the credit is under 750. So what we actually do, help you, give you the tools so you can able to increase your credit, repair your credit, and get it to a 750 or up to 800 or 850, get it as high as possible. So everything gonna be done. We give you the steps, training, everything that you need step by step legally, so you do actually increase your credit, repair your credit score yourself. No, you're not going out there and paying anyone to do it. You're doing it yourself. Guy, like I said, anything you have, anything you get that you want to do, you have to put what you learn to make it happen, right? So you have all the information that you need, everything, video training that you need to actually increase your credit, repair your credit to get it where you want it at. So this is for anyone whose credit is if you have a 3 in front of your credit, a 4 or 5 or 6, or even a 7, if you want to get to an 850, this training is for you. And also we actually give you the opportunity to increase your income. Also show you a way how to budget your money, how to pay off your debt. I can't wait how your card in a training. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of our back office, so give you a quick walkthrough to show you what you get in the system. Okay, so let me just dive in here real quick. Bear with me, minimize my screen and go here. All right, MyEcon. That's training video. I was just going through my training video, and I see correcting my tax withholding my W4 to correct my W4. You get that type of training as well. So let me go back here. Backing up. Alright, so let's see a smart credit system. Alright, this is everything here that you're going to need. Alright, so you see here, this is the training. Everything is video training, like I said. You come in here, you got your 750 credit plan, 750 monitoring, and your income shifting, showing you how to use your extra income to pay off your debt. Okay, very powerful, guys. A lot of you probably working right now, and you're still in debt. You don't know how to pay that off. Now, this training is going to tell you how to use that extra money that you have and pay towards your debt and keep you in track, give you a calculator, everything. So let me just go in there and show you the income shift. All right, the modules, they have 10 modules in here, and you got income shifting, how to correctly fill out your W4, what I just shown you earlier, how to use the minimize expense tool, how to use the debit elimination tool, investment calculator. You can actually plug in your monthly investment amount here, how much you'll be investing, the interest rate to pay off your bills, and how much years, or how much years you want to pay that debt off, that bill that you have. Okay, so it give you everything walk step by step, so you could actually go through and figure it out yourself. And the video is going to tell you exactly what you have to do. Right, so no confusion here. All right, everything, like I said, step by step. Okay, so that's the income shifting module. And if you go into the monitoring system, pretty much everything you do in your credit report, to deal with your credit report, if you dispute some items in your credit report, what the monitoring system does, it gives you alerts when anything changes in your credit. And so you could go down and use any credit monitoring system that you want. That's fine, but it's right here in the system for you to actually use it. Okay, so anything that you dispute, anything changes on your credit report, it actually gives you an alert. So you know, hey, it comes up on your phone, give you an alert saying, hey, something changed, you have a change on your credit report. Now that's a great way to monitor, especially when you send your letters out to dispute stuff on your credit report, you know, to get an alert saying when it's removed, when any change take place. Okay, so let's go back here, and the 750 credit plan. Go into that module, and so like I said, you have 10 modules, okay, and everything going. Introduction to the 750 credit plan, introduce you to the system. You obtain your credit report, and how to obtain your credit report and credit scores, how to read your credit report, how to dispute items on your credit report, how to remove negative payments on your credit report. Today I was talking to one of my friends here who actually recently joined in, and pretty much trying to dispute a bankruptcy. A lot of people think bankruptcy, you cannot remove bankruptcy from your credit report. That's a lot. You could actually get a bankruptcy removed from your credit report just by following a few simple steps, and this system gives you that. Okay, how to reduce credit utilization. You know, you want to keep your credit usage on your credit, especially your credit card, under a certain percentage. Shows you how to do that. How to add credit history to your credit report. You need credit history to your credit report, how long you had an account with certain creditors, and teach you how to increase that. How to get mixed share of credits, like car loans, you know, credit cards. You want to mix up your credit. You don't want to have one set of, you know, credit. You want to have a mixture. How to show you how to dispute, how to check your dispute. Any dispute you put out, it shows you how to check on them, you know, so you know the changes are the credit bureau are actually updating the system while you dispute this stuff on your credit report. Okay, so like I said, all this here is step-by-step training. So I could actually go into one here. Let's see how to dispute items on your credit report. So you guys see, I'm not just speaking. You got a live video right here. Not a live video, a training video. Like I said, everything is video training.
The 3 major credit bureaus have automated online.
All right, and you get the download letters and stuff like that. This is how to do it. You get the letters and how to dispute this stuff as well. The letters are actually after the module. So we'll go to the next module, and there we go. Dispute letters. So you see, a lot of people tell me, hey, I could go on Google and get these documents. Yes, you go on Google and find anything, you know, but do you have a system behind you to show you step by step what to do, so you don't actually so you actually keep track of what you're doing? Anyone can go on Google, like I said, and download anything, but you're not able to do it the right way. There's certain things that you have to do with these letters, you know, i.e. certified mail, you know, get notarized and stuff like that. Getting stuff on Google, you don't know it. You download the paperwork on Google and you don't know what to do, but the system gives you step by step, letting you know exactly what needs to get done, what you need to do, what you need to do, taking you by the hand. So all you have to do is just follow the steps, get your letters out, and let the magic happen. You know, if a credit report respond back negatively, there's another letter you have to send back out to them. You know, so everything is in the system here for you to get it done the right way. So don't shortcut it. If you want, yes, you go down and pay someone $500-600 to remove something from your credit report. Up to you, right? But with our system, it's just a minimum fee. But yeah, you pay a monthly fee, but it's under $50 to get it done. Actually, I could tell you it's $34.95 a month for our system. Right? $34.95, $35 a month to have access to our system. Plus, you have an opportunity to help others. If you have other people in your family members or outside of your household, you have an opportunity to refer them to use the same service, which turns into a business opportunity. But it's not what the video is about. It's just showing you what I have to help you fix your credit. Okay, credit is king in this country, guys. So you most definitely want to actually take me up on my offer and get the system. Start repairing your credit. So if you have a 3, 4, 5, 6, or a 7 in front of you, the number in front of your credit report, inbox me. This is for you, right? Even though you have an 800 credit report, this is for you also, because we have an income shifting system in our plan to help you, you know, pay off whatever you have to pay off, or show you how to invest. It gives you all of this information. This system gives you all that information. So go ahead, comment on this video, inbox me, and get the details. See you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. See you on the other side. Peace. Happy Tuesday.